The GoPro clips in my last video sounded like this. This made me realize that I need a mic. So I decided to pick up the media mod from GoPro, and today we're gonna test it out. I bought this for my GoPro Hero 9, but it's compatible with 12, 11, 10, 13, whatever you need it for basically. How did I not see this? Let's see, instructions. Lifetime warranty, hooray. And here it is, the media mod itself. This is how it plugs into the actual GoPro itself. So you have to take this piece off and plug it into there. This is a place to mount a light or any other things that you buy for it. This thing that reduces wind and stuff slides on here, and it has some ports on the back side here. These are used to mount the actual GoPro onto your helmet or whatever you're using to record. You might actually need these. Okay, so as you can see, step one is getting this piece off of the GoPro. Oh, just comes off. Okay. Next, you grab the media mod and you push this part down, and it should pop right out like this. Next, you gotta slide the GoPro in this way. Make sure the bottom is where the USB-C port is, so it clips into that part. And we close it back up, and our media mod is on. You can also put this piece on. I think it goes over this way, just like that. Pops right into place. Next, to actually mount the GoPro onto what you're mounting, you need these two pieces. You grab your camera, you flip these up that are on the bottom of the GoPro. Then you grab this piece. Now that it's in, you want to grab your screw and just screw it in there. All right, let's put this thing on the helmet and let's test it out. All right, guys, it's on. I hope it sounds good. We are in an echoey garage right now. So this is test one, I guess. Echoey garage. I'm gonna do 3 tests. The first one's gonna be standing still at 0 miles an hour. Second one's gonna be riding at 10 miles an hour. And third one's gonna be riding at 25 miles an hour. Just to see how well it does at each speed, you know, when there's wind blowing and stuff like that. All right, now that we're out of the garage, as you can see, 0 miles per hour. Test 1, standing still. Pretty nice day out today. There is some noise coming from over there. Other than that, you know, we're just standing still, talking to the mic, seeing how loud it is. Okay, test 1, 10 miles an hour. My channel's also really used, so you might hear that. But how does it sound? I hope it sounds good. Okay, test 2, 25 miles an hour plus. I hope it sounds good. I'm going 25 miles an hour currently. Alright, let's just go a little bit faster. Alright, let's do some basically track riding just to see. This isn't track riding, I'm just literally riding my backyard, but I'm counting it. Hopefully I'm not ripping up the grass, I just realized. You guys see this land that's basically being wasted? Around at that second or third bush, I might try to build a track here, or a jump line. Let me know what you guys think, maybe I'll do it. Yeah, I'm definitely ripping up. Okay, I'm done. Oh my dad is not gonna be happy about this. I gotta fix this. Let's make a TikTok. Honestly, it's a big disappointment. The audio did not sound good at all. My voice was just completely muffled. Final ratings are, the build quality is like an 8 out of 10. The simplicity of how to use this thing is like a 7 out of 10, and the sound quality is like a 5 out of 10. Would I recommend it? For $80, I mean, there's better stuff you can get. If you're not like riding bikes like me though, and you don't have a bunch of background noise, then it probably will be good for you. Not what I was looking for. Anyway, have a good day everybody. Bye.